So what you want to do is you want to go to shapes, and then you want to click the square, and it doesn't matter what color the square is, it's still gonna work, so don't worry about that. And then you want to do what I'm doing and like zooming the square in so it covers the character or object. And then you want to go to blending and opacity, I don't know. And then you want to go to mask, and you want to click mask. And the reason why you do that is because you want this, and it helps you, and also it's like how it works. And if you don't have to do this step, so if you don't want to, just skip this. But if you need help lining up the shapes, then you want to click the square again, and then you want to make it like this, like that, and then you want to make sure it's a rectangle now. You want to make sure the rectangle is under the square, and then you want to click any shape you want. I did this one, but for this example, I'm just going to do the stars. And it doesn't, if you want to change the stars, you can. It doesn't matter. If you need to change the stars, go to color and fill, or if you have another way, you can, but this is how I do it. And then you press any color you want, or make the color you want, and then you go to effects and click add effect, and then you want to go to liner repeat, and then I have to watch an ad, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And if you already have the premium or whatever, then you don't have to worry about the ads. But once you get to this effect, you want to make the stars like how I'm doing it, and then you want to, sorry, I accidentally clicked out of it. And like for count, you just, like I said, you want to make it like that. And then for position, you want to stretch it to where it's like on the edge of the rectangle. And then if you want, you can make more. But it doesn't have to be like this. You can also like make it like that. But I'm doing this for how I did it in the video. So then when you're done with that, you can delete this or just do that. But I am going to delete it, and the square that you made for, to keep the character in place, you want to select the star, and then you want to select that square, and then you want to put it in a group. So once you're done with that, you want to go to effects and add effect, and then you want to press the spear eyes, and then once you have that, you go to light source, and then you go to, and next to shading, you go to point light, and then you press flat, and then once you're done with that, if you don't want the stars to look like that, go to texture mapping, and then go to stretch, and then make the stars the way you want it. And then you can also go to crop to make the stars closer. Like that. And then when you mess with the stretch and the crop, you go to move and transformation, and then you want to make it the way you want, and move it and the way you want it to look like. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to the effect, Spirit Eyes, and then you want to mess with this. It's the first thing that pops up when you get the effect, and then you just want to move it up or down, which way you, it depends on you. And then when you're done, move it a little bit if you need it to be moved. And then once you're done with that, you want to go to rotation and click or press Y, and then add a keyframe. And then add a keyframe to the beginning of your clip, and then go to the end of your clip and start moving the stars like that. And if you need it to go faster, then make it faster, like this. Hold on, oopsies. If you need to go faster, then just do that, and then I'll make it go faster. But for now, I'm not going to make it that fast. I'm going to make it like a fast-ish. And if you're having a problem, like the stars are like glitching, then go back to texture mapping, and then go to crop, and then fix it. And if the crop isn't fixing it, go to stretch, and then it should fix it then. And then once you're done, you want to duplicate the layer like this, and then you want to move the copy under the object you're making the shape spin around. And then you're going to go to the effect, and you want to make the thing like this, so it looks like that. But it looks weird right now, but that's okay. We are going to fix it. So once you're done with that, you want to move the keyframes, and how to move it, you just hold them, and you want to do what I'm doing and just switching them like that, and it makes your shape spin around.